Hello everyone, welcome to Journey for Learning. Today we're diving into Class 9 Biology. We'll explore 5 amazing subfields of biology in just 2 minutes, so let's begin. Biology is a huge subject. That's why scientists divided it into smaller parts, called subfields, to study different aspects of life more deeply. Let's discover the first 5 today. Number 1, Morphology. This is the study of the external form and structure of living things. For example, the shape of a leaf, the legs of a frog, or the wings of a bird. It's all about how things look from the outside. Number 2, Anatomy. This branch studies the internal body parts that you can see after dissection or in scans. Like your heart, lungs, or brain, everything inside your body. Number 3, Physiology. It's all about how the parts of your body work, like how the heart pumps blood or how the stomach digests food. It explains the magic of your body in action. Number 4, Histology. This is the study of tissues, groups of similar cells, under a microscope. For example, muscle tissue or skin tissue. Tiny cells working together as a team. And number 5, Cytology. This is the study of cells and their structures, like plant cells or animal cells, and parts like the nucleus or mitochondria. It's the microscopic world inside every living thing. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Term: what it studies. Morphology: outer form and structure. Anatomy: internal body parts. Physiology: how body parts work. Histology: tissues under microscope. Cytology: cells and their parts. Now it's your turn. Speech balloon: which part of the body or cell would you like to learn more about? Tell me in the comments. Your idea might be our next video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Journey for Learning. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and stay curious.